Hello students, today I am discussing Animal Kingdom, class 11, chapter number 4, NCERT questions and answers, multiple choice questions, part 1. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nausin and you are watching your most favorite channel, Educational Support. So my lovely students, are you ready to crack your board exam? So let's get started. Question number 1 is, in some animal groups, the body is found divided into compartments with serial repetition of at least some organs, and this characteristic feature is called, and the options are segmentation, metamerism, metagenesis, and the last one is metamorphosis. So the correct answer is metamerism, because you know that metamerism is the division of animal body externally and internally into segments with a serial repetition of at least some organism, for example Annelida. Question number 2 is, given below are types of cells present in some animals, which of the following cells can differentiate to perform different functions? And the options are cyanocytes, interstitial cells, gastrodermal cells, and the last one is nematocytes. And the correct answer is option B, interstitial cells. Because interstitial cells are the totipotent cells in the body of cnidarians that are capable of giving rise to any kind of specialized cells to perform different functions. So the correct answer is option B, interstitial cells. Question number 3 is, which one of the following sets of animals share a 4-chamber heart? And the options are amphibians, reptiles, birds, crocodiles, birds, mammals, crocodiles, lizards, turtles, and the last one is lizards, mammals, and birds. So the correct answer is option B, because crocodiles, birds, and mammals have 4-chamber heart. Heart is usually 3-chambered in reptiles, with an exception crocodiles, which possess 4-chambered heart. The division in their heart is due to the incomplete interventricular septum in vertebrates. Heart in birds and mammals is 4-chambered, and there is a complete division of interventricular septum in ventricles. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 4 is, which of the following pairs of animals has non-granular skins? And the options are snake and frog, chameleon and turtle, frog and pigeon. The last one is crocodile and tiger. So the correct answer is option B. Because chameleon and turtle, you know, that belong to class Reptilia and possesses dry and non-granular skin with scales. Frog, pigeon and tiger possesses modifications in their skin according to adaptations in their respective habits. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 5 is, birds and mammals share one of the following characteristics as a common feature. And the options are pigmented skins, pneumatic bones, viviparity, and the last one is warm-blooded. So the correct answer is option D, because you know that warm-blooded animals can maintain constant body temperature irrespective of the surrounding environment, that is, their body temperature is fixed. Warm-blooded body is the common characteristics features, you know, in the birds and mammals. So this characteristics was first evolved in higher reptiles. Birds and mammals acquired this feature from higher reptiles during evolution. Question number 6 is, which one of the following sets of animals belong to a single taxonomic group? And the options are cuttlefish, jellyfish, silverfish, dogfish, starfish, bat, pigeon, butterfly. Options is monkey, chimpanzee, man, and option D is silkworm, tapeworm, and earthworm. So the correct answer is option C, because Monkey, chimpanzee and man belong to a single taxonomic group, that is mammals, because all of them possesses the following characters like milk producing, mammary glands, two pairs of limbs, presence of external ears, viviparity, skin processing hair, etc. Question number 7 is, which one of the following statements is incorrect? And the options are: mesogial is present in between ectoderm and endoderm in Ubelia. Option B is exhibits radial symmetry. Asterios. Facilio is a pseudocoelomate animals, and Tinea is a triploblastic animal. So the correct answer is option C, because the statement Facilio is a pseudocoelomate animals is incorrect, as it does not possess body cavity, hence it is an acoelomate. So the answer is option C. Question number 8 is, which one of the following statements is incorrect? And the options are: in cockroaches, a sponge excretion of waste material occurs through Malpighian tubes. In ctenophores, locomotion is mediated by complaints. In Facilia, flame cells helps in excretion. And the last one is the earthworms are hermaphrodites, and yet cross fertilization takes place among them. So the correct answer is option A. Because the statement is incorrect, option A, the statement is incorrect because Malpighian tubes are excretory structures in most of the insects, including cockroaches. Question number 9 is, which one of the following is oviparous? And the options are platypus, flying fox, elephants, and the last one is the whale. And the correct answer is option A, because platypus is a primitive mammal which shows many characters of their reptilian descent and such as oviparity. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 10 is, which one of the following is a non-poisonous snake? And the options are cobra, viper, python, and the last one is crate. So the correct answer is option C, python. Except python, all other snakes are highly poisonous in nature. You know that. So python dew is large in size and kills its prey by constrictions of their body. So the correct answer is option C, python. Question number 11 is, match the following list of animals with their label of organizations. So divisions of labor animals, column 1 and column 2. So choose the correct match showing divisions of labor with animal example. And the options are, so the correct answer is option C. Because Pritima possesses organ system level of organization and Fasciola possesses organ level of organization. Spongilla possesses cellular aggregate level organization, and Ubila possesses tissue level organization. Question number 12 is, body cavity is the cavity present between body wall and gut wall. In some animals, the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. So such animals are called, and the options are acoelomates, pseudocoelomates, coelomates, and the last one is hemocoelomates. So the correct answer is option B, pseudocoelomates. So you know that when body cavity is not completely lined by mesoderm, instead it is present in the form of scattered pouches in between ectoderm and endoderm. So this type of body cavity called pseudocoelomates. For example, roundworm. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 13 is, match the column A with column B and choose the correct option. So the options are And the correct answer is option C. Because the body of porifera sponges is organized in such a way so that they form a complex system of pores and canals called canal system. Aschelanthes possesses joint appendages, and Annelida possesses metameric segmentation in body. Arthropods possesses joint appendages in each segment of their body, and Echinodermata, last one, is possesses water vascular system. So the correct answer is option C. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and turn on the notification. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.